Okay, I was talking about the content writing essay, and I was talking about various ways through which you can write your essay. So right now I will write a demonstration, so you will get an idea, and then I will show you another demonstration which I have shown in another part of this video session. And for example, I will write an essay about you can say my last day at university. So I will write its introduction, and it will be like so for example, I wrote a short introduction about my university, and then I will write the body part. And how will I write it? Like I will say what I am doing from my university. For example, I wrote UOL, it means University of Lahore. Then the second paragraph will be about how much have I achieved. Then I will be telling about how University of Lahore benefits people. Now, as you can see, I have corrected a word here. Then you will talk about how university has made me rememberable. Now the spelling mistake has been found, and how to correct it. There is an option here, and Word is saying that you have to change this term. Now, for example, if I add this another M, it won't change the term. Then what is the other option? This, but I won't select it. Rather than this, I will change the term and I will say is it giving some sense to you? Yes, it should, because that sentence wasn't even clear. Okay, my contribution in the society through my university. For example, in the first paragraph, I will talk about I'm doing MBA Human Resource Management from University of Lahore, and it is a well-known degree, and I am among the luckiest 2% Pakistani population who is allowed to acquire higher education from universities, and due to the MBA HRM, I will be able to contribute in the HR sector, and my research will benefit the HR managers and HR teams all over the world. Then how much have I achieved? I will talk about I was able to take participation in the cricket team uh, while the matches were being played at the Sports Gala 2014. And then I will talk about the literary society where I was able to participate, and I was able to speak literature material in front of 200 plus audience. And then I will talk about presentation skills which have improved due to my university. Then there is another thesis statement, which is how University of Lahore benefits people. Like it gives need-based scholarships to many poor and needy people who are unable to afford the fee. It almost waives off all fee and gives them free facilities. There are many sports students in University of Lahore who are mostly underprivileged and who have got free education from University of Lahore. All they have to do is to represent university at various sport levels, and then in return University of Lahore gives them free residence and free transport facilities, and even it is giving free education to them. So there are a lot of things where University of Lahore is contributing. And then how university has made my time memorable. Obviously when you're studying in a good university, you meet with good friends, and a lot of people become a good moral lesson for you. You become a good moral lesson for many people. Many people get inspired from you. You get inspired from many people. So that's how I will talk about the memorable time. Okay, then my contribution in the society through my university, I will talk about, for example, my university has given me opportunities to speak in front of a big audience, and I have been able to strengthen my presentation skills, and I have been able to publish my group work, which was actually published by my group mate, and my name was over there because we all were able to work on that group work, and we did research related to mass media in Pakistan. So the topic we did research on was impact of mass media in Pakistan on social, ethical and economic grounds. And now all of us get emails on daily basis from various journals where we are asked to contribute in article writing, and people respect us and people value our things a lot. And then you can say if you see my profile here, it's there is a Twitter profile which people are following, and there is my Gmail, which where I receive messages from people. And then just due to the blessings by Almighty Allah, I have been able to see a lot of people rolling my profile, and I have been able to gain more respect on the internet just because people have started to recognize my work, and they have realized that I am an ordinary person with some extraordinary goals in my life. So that's how I may contribute in the society through my university. And let me clear one thing, which I have been saying again and again. You don't need to be a professional English speaker or a professional English writer when you're writing an essay. You can do a lot of grammatical mistakes, All you need to do is to use Microsoft Word and certain types of softwares which will help you to correct your grammatical errors and even spelling mistakes. So if you will be doing this practice on regular basis, I don't think so you will face any troubles in your future. And as far as I think, English is not our primary language. It is our secondary language. Unfortunately, we have made it our primary language. And we should keep in mind that we can do a lot of mistakes while we're writing English, but unfortunately people fail to realize that usually people make fun of us because they think we are not good at speaking English, we are not good at writing English, so it means we know nothing at all. I'm an MBA HR person, and I not only know English, but also I can speak in English, but that doesn't mean that I am superior when I should compare myself with someone who doesn't speak English, someone who doesn't write in English. I am not at liberty to do so. The reason is because every person is made by God and we all have to respect him or her. Okay, so here is my profile, and just due to people like you, I have got these much views, and I would like to say thanks to you for these because you have started to recognize me on the internet. And I will conclude my statements here by conclusion. For example, I will say university gives you a healthy environment. It helps you to interact with different kinds of people having different school of thoughts, and you are able to learn new things in the university because you're not at a school or college level where you are immature. You learn about professional methodologies, you are able to conduct research on several topics, you are able to recognize several things in the university and outside the university. You are able to learn how to present yourself in front of an interviewer and so on. So that's how I will write my essay on my last day at university. And then I will conclude my final discussion by linking my this current essay where I wrote about myself. It's written like it's a paragraph actually. My name is Sadia Mazhar. I am a happy personality. My aims are very high. I want to die with pride. My goals are to achieve those targets that others think that I can never achieve. I am working on video tutorials these days so that more and more people should be benefited all over the world. I am an MBA HR specialist with good intentions for the community. I will never stop to dream big, and I will never step back because I believe that I can also do things that others can do. I may not be a celebrity, but I will make sure that nothing wrong should happen with anyone. This is just an example, and you can also write a good content essay, and based on your continuous grooming, you will start improving it. Okay, so if you will keep on improving yourself, I am very much sure you will never face any difficulty in your life. Even if you have to study new things, first you have to conduct some research because there is a concept like input and output. And in case of input, you have to be good at listening and reading, and then in case of output, you should be good at speaking and writing. If you're good at these things, I am damn sure you will never face any difficulties in your life, and you will be able to present yourselves in front of the whole community or world. And with this final discussion, I am concluding my discussion over here, and I hope I have been able to provide some good information about content writing skills. And if I have missed something, you may let me know at sadiasadia90@gmail.com, and I will make sure that I should be able to read all the emails. And you can also send me message on my Twitter or